Welcome to Spring Lib.
Okay, so from example 6 in this chapter, we have that there are 25 dark lines in the plate, and in there are 24 intervals. 24 intervals, and so you add the half intervals at the end of you have the half intervals at the end of the wire, right? So you get in total 24 plus 0.5 equals 24.5 intervals over the entire length. Therefore, the distance, I'm just going to call it d, between the fringes is the total length, 28.5 centimeters over the total number of intervals, 24.5, giving us 1.16 centimeters.